Hey guys, your girl Jan, and today I'll be filming for you guys this halo eye. It's like a reddish oranges with the gold center. If you like what you're seeing, just keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe first though. To start off, I'll be putting down a thin layer of my Banana Deep Powder by Makeup Revolution just to catch any fallout that might come from the shadows I'm using. Today I'll be using 35OM and a 35OS palette. To start off, I'll be using 35OM and taking this fluffy brush here and going into this light brown shade in the corner of the palette and putting that in my crease. Next, I'll be taking this red orange shade and building that in my crease as well. Since I'm doing a halo eye, the main focus of the shadow is going to be in the crease and in the inner and outer quarter. I don't really have to focus on the center of the lid since I'm going to be cutting that with concealer later. Next, I'll be going into this bright orange shade at the top corner of the palette with a brush that's a little bit fluffier, and I'll be blending the colors that we have already put down up further out a little bit more towards the brow bone. Next, I'll be taking this light brown shade and I'm going to basically blend everything up and towards the brow bone and make sure that it has an even transition. I'll now be going into this deep red shade. It's like a brick red, and basically pressing and stippling that into my crease to deepen it and make it more of a vibrant red color. Here you'll see me switch to a brush that's a little bit tighter and more precise, just so I can focus that color a little bit more into the crease where I want it to be. Now I'll be taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 42 and a little concealer brush and carving out the center of my lid. Directly following that concealer, I'll be going into my 35OS and taking this gold shimmer here and putting it on top of the concealer directly. I will now be taking my NYX Glitter Primer and putting that everywhere that I applied the shimmer. On top of that, I'll be going in with a gold glitter from MAC. And now I'll be taking my NYX Black Liquid Liner and lining my lid. Now I'll be taking my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara and going in with a thin layer before I apply my lashes. Now I'll take a big fluffy brush and dust off all of that banana powder that I had before, catching all my fallout. And I'm going to do my bottom lash line and basically replicate all that I did on my top lid with the oranges and the reds on the bottom lash line. For lashes today, I'll be using the Style 28 in the Iconic Collection by Eye Envy. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'll be taking this MAC Skin Finish in Oh Darling. And to finish off my face, I'll be taking the Morphe Setting Mist. Alright guys, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys really liked it. All the products and tools that I use will be in the description box below. Make sure to comment if you have any questions. Give this video a thumb up if you like it. And subscribe to join JFM. Like, what are you doing if you're not subscribed? That was it. That was it. This is it. Comment, like, subscribe, and out.